Good afternoon everyone, magandang hapon. Let's do Tagalog word of the day for this week, and our Tagalog word ay, what's our Tagalog word? Kuya Yo. Our Tagalog word is grabe. Grabe. It's used to express excessiveness or to say that something is extremely blah 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 blah. And you'll notice that grabe is usually used with Tagalog adjectives intensified with ang. So, for example, ang cute ni Hiro or ang cute, grabe ang cute. That means that Hiroko is so cute or extremely cute. There you go. Oh my God, you're buntot. Ang cute, grabe. Grabe, ang cute. Ang cute, grabe. Where's your cute face? Ow. Ow. Gigil ako ng gigil. Ow. Ang cute, grabe. Right? Say yes. Yes. You wanna invite them to visit your Facebook page? Come on. Say something. Say something. Thank you. Thank you for helping tita. Naiinis si mama. Naiinis si mama. Ang bagal ng kotse sa unahan namin.
Yan, ganyan. Lamig ko
So
pa na.
slow.
Gali. Mamamatay ang susunod sa iyo. Oh my gosh. Grabe.
Grabe. Ang bagal. Mama, why is it kapag nagmamadali ka,
May mga...
everyone in front of you is mabagal?
Very slow.
Your
My
kotse.
My
Kotse.
car at the back.
It's dirty?
Yeah.
Let's check.
I know. I cleaned that up.
Grabe, ang dumi.
Buti pa hindi ko pinunasan. No?
Your car needs to take a bath, mama.
Yeah.
Ang dumi na ng kotse. Grabe.
Oh my goodness. It's hot.
How come you took so long? Grabe, ang tagal.
Nikiji pa ako.
Ang tagal,
Tapos,
grabe.
Kinuhanan ako ng deep breath.
So that's all for our Learn Tagalog WOTD. Grabe. Nandito na kami sa tindahan. So mama, what do you wanna get? Do you wanna get a bun?
Anong ban?
You mean like the usable bun or the eatable bun? A hair bun or like a bun bread?
Ban bread.
Both? See that? Those people who did it, they couldn't even pick it up. Grabe.